James with Wise Outdoor Power in Decatur, Texas here. Today we're taking a closer look at the Wacker Newson ST45 Skid Steer. This is a 2-speed machine equipped with a quick hydraulic coupler as well as high flow. At 50% tipping load, the ST45 has a rated operating capacity of 4,500 pounds. It is equipped with a Kohler KDI 3404 turbo diesel engine that produces 74 horsepower. This is the all-weather cab with AC, an air ride seat, and of course, a rear view camera, maximizing visibility without sacrificing operator comfort. For more information on the Wacker Newson ST45 Skid Steer, please contact me at 940-371-0998 or come visit us in person in Decatur, Texas at Wise Outdoor Power.